You think switching banks resets everything. New account, new app, new relationship. But in the background, you've already been flagged. And not by your bank, by a private AI network that scores your risk across institutions. This system isn't run by the government. It's built by companies like Feedzai, FeatureSpace, Comply Advantage, and a few lesser-known firms. These companies create shared databases, behavioral models, and cross-institutional signals. Once you're flagged as high risk in one place, that signal doesn't just vanish. It echoes across banks, payment processors, even fintech apps. Here's how it works. When you trigger a pattern, unusual logins, frequent transfers, flagged counterparties, the bank's internal AI model marks you. If they use a shared platform like Actimize or SAS, the risk signals aren't locked inside that one bank. They're bundled, anonymized, and redistributed into a central learning model. Other banks using that same vendor? Their systems learn from the risk profile you triggered, even if they've never seen your name before. In effect, you're not switching banks anymore. You're switching nodes on a shared nervous system, a system that doesn't forget, and doesn't care if the risk was real, accidental, or resolved. This isn't illegal. It's framed as fraud detection, and under most terms of service, you've already consented, passively, by using the service. You don't see the model, you don't see the flags, you only see the result: rejections, delays, frozen accounts, no explanation. This network effect is growing. Open banking APIs, behavioral biometrics, transaction graphing, all feed into shared risk profiles. If you've been de-risked, labeled as high friction, or placed into a monitoring tier, that status can persist across accounts, even countries. This isn't science fiction. It's real infrastructure. And once you're inside the model, you're not the customer anymore. You're the risk input. This is part of the Aurenox Risk Library. We document how control systems are built and how they replicate quietly.